My skin sucks right now. I'm about to get my period. I've been consuming way more sugar than normal. It's Girl Scout cookie season, and it is written all over my face. So today I decided I was gonna do my DIY facial routine, and I've been meaning to make this video for a very long time, so I wanted to share that with you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things budget beauty. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. You do not need to make an expensive spa appointment to give your skin TLC, so let's get into my DIY facial routine. Now I gotta start out this video by saying I am not an esthetician. By no means do I consider myself a skincare expert either. This is just what works for me, especially when my skin is acting up, and I do have combination skin that is acne prone and somewhat sensitive. First up, I start with my favorite cleanser, which is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I've been using this for years. It's the best for my combo skin because it cleanses effectively without making my skin feel stripped. I use it with my Foreo Luna device, which I've also been using different versions of since 2015. The silicone touch points help remove dirt, oil, and makeup and are much more gentle than a brush device and more hygienic. I also want you to notice that I'm trying my best to cleanse under my chin. This is an area I often forget in my daily skincare routine, but I blend foundation down onto that area and it needs the same skincare as the rest of my face. Next, I tone with my all-time favorite product, the Pixi Glow Tonic. As you can see, I'm at the last few pumps of this huge bottle. This is a staple in my routine and helps my skin stay smooth and bright with exfoliating glycolic acid. Next, I set up my steamer, and this is what really makes the routine feel like a spa facial and also helps boost results. My steamer is from Amazon and it runs on a 6-minute steam cycle for an express treatment. This helps open up my pores, release trapped oil, hydrates, and enhances my skin's absorption of products so they work to their max potential. After my 6 minutes of steaming, I move on to my face masks, and this will change depending on what my skin needs are, but today I'm using 2 masks, starting with the Pixi DetoxifEYE Depuffing Eye Patches. For the rest of my face, I'm using the Farmacy Honey Potion Mask since I'm experiencing breakouts. Honey is an awesome skincare ingredient with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties while also being hydrating. As you apply this mask, it transforms into a cream consistency that's self-heating, so you'll get a warming and slightly tingly sensation. It's really nice. I leave the masks on for about 10 to 15 minutes while I check in on social media and just chillax. Once I remove the eye patches and rinse the mask off, I apply facial spray to help soothe and rehydrate my skin. This is the Garnier SkinActive Soothing Facial Mist with rose water, which I spray generously. And while my skin is nice and damp, I do a quick face rolling routine. So I have several face rollers from the brand Daily Concepts. Their Jade one is really nice quality for only 15 bucks, and they just came out with this gorgeous amethyst one. So when I face roll, which helps with depuffing, I start at the center of my face and then roll towards the temples or down the neck. I also like to hold the roller under my eyes for the cooling sensation. Rolling can also help with product absorption, which is great since my next step is serum. I've talked a ton on social media about how vitamin C serum is my new obsession. It's really helping with skin texture and hyperpigmentation, and I just started testing this one from Revolution Skincare, their 12.5% vitamin C super serum. I love the pump packaging much more than dropper styles. As I let my serum absorb into my skin, I apply my eye cream, which is the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day to Night Eye Cream. I finish off my facial with moisturizer. If I'm doing this routine before bed, I'll use my nighttime moisturizer, but it's daytime right now, so I'm going in with my current go-to SPF, the Aveeno Naturals Positively Radiant Moisturizer with SPF 30. At this point, my skin feels so good. It feels hydrated, it feels soothed. And now, having done this routine, I can probably expect some of these problem areas to start clearing up within the week as long as I keep up my normal skincare routine. Let me know if you want me to make more skincare videos, especially when it comes to combination or acne prone skin. Today's shout out goes to Kelly. Thanks for being a member of the Slashed Squad. And join me over in this video next where I share my entire morning routine from skincare to hair. I'll see you over there. Bye.